Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And have a very nice day to my panel, TS Dr. Faisal bin Mahmud and Dr. Fazimah binti Makno. I am Noor Ikmal Hakim bin Makno. I want to present my final project on numerical simulation on lateral collapse of bamboo form composite field in hollow cylindrical tube subjected to quasi-static loading. Okay, for the presentation outline, it consists 4 parts. For the first one is introduction. For the second, literature review, follow up with methodology, and last one is expected result and outcome. Okay, for the background study, bamboo, commonly called as a giant grass, it rising steadily in tropical and subtropical areas. It weight also greater than wood, and its tensile strength about half of the steel. Bamboo also has the ability to substitute steel as a reinforcement in concrete due to its characteristic in high tension and compression. The problem statement of the research is due to relative high compression strength properties, performance of bamboo in terms of mechanical and physical, and lastly, due to its characteristic that strong in tension and compression. Okay, we move to objective of this final project: to investigate the energy absorption during the lateral collapse of bamboo, and second is to investigate the characteristic form field in hollow cylindrical tube during the lateral collapse of bamboo. Okay, for the scope of study, we focus on different thickness of hollow cylindrical tube of bamboo composite field in the hollow cylindrical tube. Okay, for the second one is study the numerical simulation model of bamboo form field in hollow cylindrical tube subjected to quasi-static loading. Okay, for the part 2, literature review, anatomical structure. Two cells form composed of the connective tissue, which is a parenchyma cell and vascular bundle. Each cool segment begin and end with a solid joint called node. Nodes are characterized by a swelling and circling the end of the cone segment. For the physical and mechanical properties, the aging of bamboo culm affect the physical and mechanical properties of bamboo differ to height of the culm and the age of the bamboo. Unlike wood, bamboo has no secondary growth, and all gain after it reach full height. Variation in strength properties along the culm height and compressive strength tend to increase with height. For the specific gravity, is measure of the density of a substance. The specific gravity of bamboo varies 0.4 to 0.8 depending on the atomic structure. The internode was cut into strip 1 cm wide and 16 cm long with a bandsaw to determine the specific gravity through the culm on the bendy properties. As we can see on the table, on average, specific gravity of 1-year-old bamboo is significantly lower than that of either year 3 or 5. But little difference is shown in specific gravity between year 3 and 5. Generally accepted that an increase in density of the culm is mainly due to thickness of the wall. For the bending properties, age has a significant impact on bending strength and stiffness. The bending test was performed with some modification of American Society for testing a material on an instrument machine. The span was 12.7 cm and the crosshead speed was 0.25 cm per minute. After bending test, bending sample was cut for specific gravity measurement. Specific gravity vary significant with age. The specific modulus of rupture MOR and modulus of elasticity MOE were calculated. As we can see, the table of specific gravity and bending properties of bamboo, which MOR and MOE. This is a figure of relationship between specific gravity and bending that were calculated for the compressive property. The compressive stress and Young modulus strength data parallel and perpendicular to the longitudinal direction of bamboo are presented. As we can see, the table figure show the maximum stress perpendicular to the grain of the 1, 3 and 5 years old bamboo. For the 1 year, average 16.1 megapascal and has the lowest compressive stress. For the 3 year, is rise, although there was no statistically significant difference between 3 and 5 year. For the 5 year, average 34.3 megapascal and has the highest compressive test. We can conclude here there is no significant difference between bottom and middle portion of this 3 year. Figure show Young modulus perpendicular to the grain of 1, 3 and 5 years old bamboo. For the 1 year, average 16.1 megapascal and has a lowest Young modulus perpendicular to the longitudinal direction. For the 3 year, has the highest value, although there was no statistically significant difference between 3 and 5 years old bamboo. We can conclude here there is no significant difference between bottom and middle section. Okay, for the chapter 3 methodology, for the first part, we have a research flowchart. We start with the start and we create a model of geometry and model of material. We apply the interaction, boundary condition and step procedure. And after that, we start machine with data processing. After that, simulating visualization and graph visualization, and we finish. For this research, we use ANSYS software. ANSYS is a instructional method that learning process get even simpler and used to achieve a deeper understanding. And problem include the examination of static and dynamic, heat transfer and fluid. For the geometry model, we must study involve geometry model of bamboo, and shape is very simple and it most likely made up of cylindrical shape because of bamboo. The lateral collapse of bamboo design simplified so that the model can be imported and run efficiently. After we finish geometry model, we go to meshing, where grid formation is generated on the geometry. The process allows the software to run the calculation based on the domain. The domain is then reduced to the smaller cell, and the calculation is calculated at the node or the cell location. The meshing option can be adjusted and changed according to the user in order to achieve the desired result. the setup section, method and boundary condition are applied, and the setup is necessary in order to determine how the geometry model is calculated based on the parameter and boundary condition that are desired. For the post-processor, the flow pattern inside the bamboo form of different thickness can be obtained by using the XY plane as the viewing angle. Last part for this methodology is a grid independent test we can use to improve the result of the simulation calculation. Grid independent study is performed to eliminate or reduce the influence of the number of grid size. Calculation should be more accurate as more node and smaller cell size is used. And lastly, study is only focusing on reducing the global element size as it affects the whole geometry machine. Okay, for the last chapter of this presentation is expected result and outcome. So we expect that bamboo form field in the hollow cylindrical tube will give the low value ID the thickness increase. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.